will talk about how Leverkusen could not win Europa this time, and how Atalanta did the unthinkable of winning a trophy, winning a European trophy for the first time.
Gasperini gassed Leverkusen.
Gassed? What is that?
Vishal waited for 50 minutes. 50 minutes to say this. तब से is like कि कभी बोलूँगा, right?
Very weird analogy to come up with.
But yeah, absolute scenes in Bergamo as well, and in Dublin, right? The game happened in Dublin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. It's such a beautiful thing. Like if you think, वैसे अगर आप दूर से देखोगे बस Leverkusen and Atlanta, वो must be a boring final. क्योंकि people have this ideology that both teams are, not the prominent names in football. But then you see their journey, you feel that it's so beautiful and poetic. One team that has not lost a single game throughout the season, that has beaten all the records of the biggest unbeaten streak, the longest unbeaten streak. उसके सामने एक ऐसी टीम आती है जो 61 years से कुछ भी नहीं जीती है, not even one trophy, right? They have reached so many finals, right? They are called one of the biggest losers of Italy, like we call them Tottenham of Italy. क्योंकि they are truly the team that have been trophyless so long, and their entire history वो एक trophy उठाए हैं, that is Coppa Italia, and the second trophy they win is a European trophy, and that to Europa League, defeating the unbeatables. So I think it's the best, the thing that could ever be, like the best closure you can get. क्योंकि Gasperini, even though people praise him, but most of the people troll him कि आपने क्या किया भाई, इतने साल you have been serving Italian football and you haven't won a single trophy as a coach. So, and he used to, say things. So he said once, I remember his quote, कि like, for me, the true winner is the ones, who overcome their own expectations, their own battles, and who try to change things when no one believed in them. So for me, I am a winner. He said this once, and this time he
I
chose
love
to-
what Gasperini said after winning the game. Like people were asking what happened, what changed, or something, and he said it was a normal game of football.
Normal, yeah.
Also,
Nothing changes
that-
for me.
हाँ.
Yeah, he said the afternoon में जो था उससे पहले I am still the same. Yeah, nothing changes.
That cold photo also came na. He was shushing.
He was shushing. Oh my
Sorry,
god.
that was cold, man. Oh, super.
वैसे तो he is very decent, but बीच में उसका Italian जाग जाता है. तो he's like,
Yeah.
I have to do some shit house. He shushed, and that is not after they scored the second goal. He shushed them after the second goal. The balls to do that.
Just that analogy that I would draw from that FA Cup, that, as I said, United could have won, but nobody expected them to win having better numbers. Same thing here. Yes, Atlanta, it's a final. It's a knockout game. Every team has a chance. Even Atlanta do. But you don't expect them to dominate the match like they did.
Absolutely.
3-0.
They dominated the game, but it was not like a one. See, again, like I don't want to say this was a one-sided final. It was a great final.
It was.
They both kept trying, but Atalanta could convert those chances which they got, and especially Adam Lookman, a PL reject. That guy's journey I was reading a few days ago, but really crazy journey. Like from not winning the AFCON, from being rejected in PL, from moving
Leicester.
club to club, and being in Atalanta where he found he found a home in Atlanta, and Gasperini gave him his chance, and he killed it, man. Like a hat trick. He is the first guy. He's the first guy in Europa to score a hat trick. But there are people in the finals who have scored hat tricks.
Champions League, yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
Europa में he is the first guy to do it. And what a beautiful goals he scored. Second goal तो भाई mad goal.
Second goal, mad.
Dribbled and scored. But yeah, Leverkusen, as the game started, it was like first minute से Atlanta was pressing so much, that intensity till the 90th minute. Brilliant. They did the same to Liverpool also. उनको जीते press करा दिया था. So I was like, this team was on a mission. And I was reading 4 different leagues के teams को हरा कर आ रहे हैं, like in the knockout stages. Sporting CP, Portugal. Then they defeated Premier League में की Liverpool. Then in the semis, Marseille from Liga. and then now German league की Leverkusen, right? So they're meeting different style of football, but same idea, same concept, same intensity, and killing the games.
मेरा
man
एक
on man marking, man on man pressing, not even marking, man on man pressing. The entire there was a back line of 5 Leverkusen players in the defense.
And
with the
everyone
ball,
was marked.
and every person was being pressed
Marked.
by different
Yeah,
players. This is absolutely mad.
Yeah, they're superb in it, yeah. And
Yeah,
also Bergamo is one of the smallest cities to win Europa League. They are the third smallest. They have a population of, I think, less than 1.5 lakh, like, to be saying 1.3 lakh population, around 1.3, 1.4, and they won a trophy now. People will be definitely happy. Yeah, and people there in Bergamo, they don't play any other sport. They only play one sport, that is football. And people, one fact I would like to tell people here, they never call it football there. They always call it Atlanta. That is how big of Atlanta like impression they have. Ki people don't say we are going to stadium, they say we are going to Atlanta. People don't say what are we doing today, we are going to play Atlanta. And even in all the hospitals of Bergamo, as soon as a kid is born, he has been given a certificate, a scarf, and an Atlanta jersey. And in the certificate it is written,
Wow, I
you are-
got chills.
yeah,
I
like
got
they have
fucking goosebumps.
a tie-up with every single hospital in the whole city, and as soon as they like the certificate says he's now a lifelong Atlanta fan as well. So
Culture in Italy
everything.
cannot be beaten by any
Italy-
fucking country.
डेफिनेटली यू जस्ट सेड, मैं इटली के बारे में कह रहा था, जैसे अब आप लुकमैन के बारे में बात किए, देयर आर मैनी एग्जांपल्स लाइक लुकमैन जो कि कहीं से रिजेक्ट होके आए थे फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट लीग और उनको
Yeah,
इटली में आके रिस्पेक्ट
whole
मिला.
Atlanta.
क्वाड्राडो भी जैसे ही वाज अ चेल्सी रिजेक्ट, चेल्सी में नहीं हुआ उसका काम, नहीं चला उसका चेल्सी, ही केम टू हियर, ही इज परफॉर्मिंग गुड. हमने आपको वो बेचा था, क्या बोलते हैं, एसी मिलान को, अरे क्या नाम है उसको, टोमोरी
Tomori,
गुड,
Loftus-Cheek,
लॉफ्टस
सब
चीक,
बेचा है.
क्रिश्चियन पुलिसिच, भाई मतलब इटली मैं एक बात ये अभी कह सकता हूँ, और ये सिर्फ एक बात, मतलब ये इसका निष्कर्ष है कि इटली में ना जो आदमी हर कहीं से थक हार के आता है ना, उसको इटली इज्जत देती है. इटली के फैंस, इटली का कल्चर, इटली का फुटबॉलिंग जो फीवर है, और जो मतलब जिस तरीके से वहाँ के लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, मतलब इट फील्स लाइक इटली ब्रीड्स फुटबॉल. एंड इटली के लिए
प्ले फॉर द
बहुत अच्छा
क्रेस्ट,
आता है.
और वो आपको
Yeah.
भगवान बना देंगे, ये तो
भगवान
है.
बना- yeah.
और नहीं
So-
करोगे तो
so-
आप रेसिस्ट स्टैंड के तो फिर
Some players who have not gotten much respect, like Kolasinac, Zappacosta.
Yeah. Oh
in
wow.
Atalanta.
Kolasinac became, I think, nth player to leave Arsenal and win a trophy. I cannot even count. There's a Twitter page I'm forgetting. He makes this tweet कि इतने नंबर का player who has left Arsenal to win it. तो it's insane, man. Arsenal क्या क्या करता है. Kolasinac को they like
And Zappacosta won the Europa last with us against
with
Arsenal.
you only
Xhaka
against
in
Arsenal.
the
And
league.
Kolasinac was there in Arsenal back then.
Yeah,
उसको वहाँ
yeah.
आपने हराया, and now he is winning it
Another
with
goal.
Zappacosta. Wow, man.
Dude,
Zappacosta
Xhaka.
also, by the way, another
Granit
reject.
Xhaka, dude,
जागा
he
का
left.
बोलो ना, हाँ.
Yeah.
No,
Granit
that will
Xhaka.
come to Xhaka later. But
Yeah,
but
but yeah,
what
Zappacosta
happened-
also, he assisted the first goal of Lookman
Correct.
in the final. Yeah.
Zappacosta has done well for Atalanta.
Yeah.
Really?
Whole Atlanta, if you see, all 11 players, they are rejects from somewhere else. This season, before the start, they lost front three. Zapata, Muriel, जो कि उनके long serving players थे, and Højlund to United, right? And they replaced them with Skamaka, Lookman पहले से था, उसको थोड़ा start देने लगे. Charles de Ketelaere, जिसने last season not even one, I think one
Man
assist
was crying
entirely
for
for-
minutes. Man was
Yeah, he was crying.
legitimately crying for
पूरे
minutes.
मिलान में लास्ट सीजन सिर्फ एक असिस्ट था उसको. He was a marquee signing of Milan. but
Yeah,
एक
and he's on
assist
loan,
था.
right? And they're planning to buy him.
Yeah, he said I'm not going back. He said I
Yeah.
want to stay here. He said that मेरे को बहुत प्यार हो गया इस जगह से. I want to stay here. I am happy here.
Imagine saying no to AC Milan
Yeah.
and wanting to stay at Atalanta for minutes and
Atalanta-
respect.
Yeah, Atlanta are the Southall United of Italy. So yeah, just a thing.
But I think, like Mithun
Please
said,
do.
like the Italian, like the passion that they have for football, even the fans, the passion that they have, like every team has a small story. Like
Yeah.
I've got like so many of them from Mithul.
Yeah.
हर जगह से you've got a different story from Italy.
And for such stories you have to follow Calcio Guy on Twitter as well as Instagram का भी लिंक है उसका हर जगह पर. और जो हमारा जो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है वी स्पीक फुटबॉल इंडिया, वहाँ पे आ जाओ. मितुल मस्त स्टोरी डालता है, और मितुल जिस तरीके से पूरा वो स्टोरी बताता है किसी भी क्लब का, दैट इज फैंटास्टिक ओनली. हम
Yeah,
लोग
like you reach Italy and start feeling those things virtually.
I don't know man, the day I go to Italy भाई मैं तो वहीं को जेल में चले जाऊंगा. I don't want to come back. यही रख लो. But that would be something. Yeah.